Hi everyone, and welcome to I Have Like Couponer. I am here with a pretty big stock up Kroger organic as possible grocery haul today. Like I said, if you've been on here for a while, it's nothing like my old hauls, and it's depressing, but it's not anymore. My computer mouse isn't included. I just forgot to move it. It's not as good as it used to be. However, I'm still happy with it. It was halfway decent. If you've been around here for a while, you've heard about my health diagnosis, the unfortunate disease that I have, and I am going to treat it with medications. I know that will open doors to new horizons and new foods, but I am going to try to keep it as healthy and organic as possible for probably the rest of my life, because it's kind of been an eye-opener, some of the stuff. With this disease, it's like a stomach disease. You've heard me talk about it. I'm not going to go into the whole story. I've had to be very, very restrictive on the stuff I can eat and tolerate. And with this, I've had to make sure I wasn't having a bunch of like preservatives and additives and stuff. It's kind of opened my eyes to some of the things they had added in those foods. I don't really ever want to go back to eating that way again. But I am going to get medication, so that's going to open up a lot of doors to allow me to eat better stuff and more stuff. Like, as you can see, I don't have any vegetables. No salads, no broccoli, no nothing. Because my stomach, if I ate that, it would be awful, to put it straightforward. So, yeah. But these all work for me thus far. And this was a stock-up haul. Obviously, I'm not going to eat all these chips at one time. And I'm not going to eat all this meat at one time. But it's still the same philosophy of coupons. When the price is right, you're going to stock up. So that's what I did today. So we're going to go from left to right. First up, this Merle Glenn pizza sauce. Now, this was a total mistake. I even tried to make him not do it, and he didn't. I don't know. This is not my fault. I tried to stop him. It was $2.19, and I had a 50-cent printable coupon. Well, apparently, I had loaded that electronic coupon. I swear, I had like 40 digital coupons come off, so I didn't even see it. I had a 50-cent digital come off for this. So it brought up a message when he scanned it saying don't accept, or no, not don't accept. It said electronic coupon already applied. And I said, oh, did I have a digital for that? And he said, oh, who cares? And he entered it in. So I feel guilty, but I paid $1.19 and we'll get back 50 cents from Savings Star. So good deal there. It should have been $1.69 getting back 50 cents from Savings Star, but it is what it is. I can't, I really can't make up for it. All right, the apples were $2.49. That was a good one for the 2 pounds. The sweet potatoes is expensive. They were $1.59 a pound, and this is like 4 pounds, and these were $2.99. I had a digital a home mailer for $2 off of a $10 produce. Worked just fine. So I actually made this a decent deal. Not the best, but decent. And what I've been following, and a good tip to any of you if you're trying to get healthier this year, reference the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15. If it's on the Clean 15, I'm good to get it regular because it doesn't have very many pesticides on it. So, but these are on the Dirty Dozen, apples and potatoes. So I do never will buy those not organic anymore because they got a lot of pesticides. But if it's on that Clean 15 list, I will buy it regular. So that is a good money-saving tip there. If it's on the Clean 15, just buy it regular. All right. The cheese sticks, let me give you some prices because I got my receipt here. The cheese sticks were, this is a long receipt. Okay, they were $3.59, and there also was a digital coupon for 75 cents off, so it made a decent price, but I don't really usually pay. I know after the digital, these wound up being $2.49 for the cheese and the sliced cheese. These were $2.79, and there's a 50-cent digital. It's organic. I know it's cheaper up at Aldi, but it's not all of them are organic there, so it was actually a better deal at Kroger, because I have gotten the organic ones at Aldi. And that's something I've had to really learn. Kroger, if you aren't getting sales on these organic products, it is through the roof expensive. It's crazy. So another pro tip is I'm going to be making an Excel spreadsheet, tracking prices at Kroger, Aldi, and Walmart. And that's what I'm going to reference from now on. Like butter, Kerrygold butter is something I made the switch to. At Aldi and Walmart, it's $2.88. And at Kroger, it's $4. So, yeah, that's stuff I got to remember. When you can catch sales like this at Kroger, you're really going to save big. This strawberry ice cream is $2.49. It's organic. It has pretty good ingredients. And actually, I have lost quite a bit of weight with the disease and need some more calories. So, probably put a little bit to make sure I don't lose any more weight. So, yeah, I get to eat some bad stuff. These organic fries, these have never hurt me. $3.29. Over here is the pile of stuff for my dad, that I can't have. I haven't been doing bread because, just like I said, there's preservatives and stuff in it that my body cannot tolerate. And even the organic bread has not worked right now. Like I said, with medication, it should be better, but right now it's a stay away from. So here I got this cheese, and then the bread was 85 cents, and the buns were 85 cents. This gluten-free pizza crust, it was $3.99. Like I said, that computer mouse, I just forgot to take it off the table. $3.99, I had a 75-cent digital coupon, so that was a decent deal. It's gluten-free and organic. This was $1.99. Oh, I meant to get the pepperoni at Kroger. I didn't do it. Whatever. I'll go back. These were $1.99. I had a 50-cent digital, so $1.49 for these tortilla chips. That is insane in my book. Really good price. And these are good chips, and they've never given me any issues. Now, I did grab these Simple Truth organic potato chips. After the digital coupon, they were $1.79. Let me do the mega stuff all together. And we're going to skip that and come back to all the mega stuff, because that's kind of one big deal. All right, the almond milk was $3.19. I had a coupon. It made it $2.79. The peanut butter, this is awful, I know. But I looked at the ingredients, and the regular peanut butter, and compared to this is literally... Oh, I got the wrong one. Oh, I got the wrong one. I'm going to have to take this back. I swear, this has been some kind of a day. I got the wrong one. I usually get the 2 ingredient ones, so I'm going to have to take these back. Yeah, I'm going to have to exchange them for the right ones. But these are $2.99 after the digital, so I'm going to have to go exchange that at Kroger because I don't get this kind. There's another one that's literally just peanuts and sea salt, and it was included. I just grabbed the wrong one because I was in a hurry. So I'm going to have to go back and exchange it. But $2.99. This humongo thing of eggs is $2.49. And here's my mega stuff. This tuna, I have never done tuna, but I've read it's good to try to have some fish. And I was doing salmon, and I got to the point I couldn't tolerate it, so I'm going to try tuna instead. Do like a tuna salad type thing. These were on the mega sale for 99 cents, and literally all it is just tuna and olive oil, so I don't think that's going to be bad. These Cascadian Farms organic bars, they were $1.99 in the mega. I had $1 off 2 printable, and there's $1 back on Savings Star for buying 2, so it makes them 99 cents. This Gillette Shave Cream was $1.29 with a 75-cent digital, so that was good. The Frosted Flakes Simple Truth was $1.99, and this was actually very, very minimal ingredients. I think that should work. Have some cereal back in my life. The Simple Truth Broth, $1.49, which is a phenomenal price. Down there, that applesauce was $1.99 after the digital coupon. This bacon was $3.99 for the digital. I know this isn't 100% organic, but it's very, very close. It's a vegetarian-fed diet, and it's pretty good. So $3.99 for that. This chuck roast, this was a good one. The chuck roast, let me look at the receipts. Chuck roast, chuck roast, chuck roast. Because I was impressed with that one. That was a pretty big discount. Okay, the chuck roast was regularly $11 or $12.99. Today it was on sale, and it was like $9 or $8, I think. So to me, that was a pretty good deal for those. All right, and then this was deal today. This ribeye steak was $5.99 on clearance. There is a $2 digital. It didn't work. So these were $7.99. This one was just $5.99. I am thrilled with that deal. Not bad at all for that. And then this lunch meat was awful, $4.49. But it's organic, and I don't know. That's what we picked today. It just seemed to be the other one had a ton of ingredients in it. Even just the Simple Truth. So we didn't really feel like messing with that. All right, and I got these gummies. These are probably bad for you. They're $1.25, but they're just good. They're organic. And they got some cat food for 60 cents a can. So yeah, that is my Kroger haul. There's Noah getting back up then, and he does this, I swear, every grocery haul that cat wants up in this video. But yeah, all right, so we spent $160.43. We're going to get, okay, so I did that. I'm going to get back $1.50 in rebates. So that's not horrible. The receipt, no, you don't want gluten-free pizza crust. The receipt says I saved $49.43, but I know I saved more because like that meat markdown. So not as good as usual, I know, but it was, I don't think it was bad. I really don't. With all that meat and stuff and cat food and everything, I think it was a really, really, really good deal at Kroger. So yeah, that is my haul. Check out my other Kroger videos if you haven't already. There's lots of them up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.